Okay, I ordered Fluenz Spanish from Amazon. You can see the smirking box there, and I thought I would do, kind of a quick unboxing video of it. And right off the bat, you'll notice that something a little bit funny looking about this. If you look at the Fluenz website, or if you look at Amazon's Fluenz page, it shows a very attractive red box. And this is not that. This is kind of an ugly little brown box. I'm actually not sure that they sent me the right thing here. I'm a little bit worried about it. Let me get my knife back here. Okay, you can see the Fluenz logo and stuff. Now that is a little bit more like it. And there's a note here about refunds going through Amazon, and now I have a very pretty red box. And that's really all I wanted. I just wanted a pretty red box, so I feel like I've gotten my money's worth now. So this looks like a little Fluenz brochure with a photo of Sonia Gill there. This might be, let's see, okay, this is just like a manual here, sort of describing the software. And this is a Fluenz phrase book. I remember reading about this in the product description. I actually thought it was going to be a little bit, I mean, they called it a phrase book. This is more like a phrase pamphlet, but I suppose this is probably more portable and may ultimately be a little bit more useful than an actual book. I don't know. And then you can see a disc here. This looks like an audio CD rather than the DVD, which that is exactly what that is. And here's the DVD, the audio CD for 2, the DVD for 2, the audio CD. I didn't realize there was going to be this many audio CDs. So yeah, that's Fluenz. I'm looking forward to learning some Spanish here. Post any questions or comments.